Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to get free PS Plus trial, free PlayStation Plus method for PS4 and PS5. So what you'll need for this one, of course, is a PS4 and PS5 console, a stable internet connection, a new and unused email address. This is actually the important part. No previous PlayStation Plus subscriptions linked to the account. Anyway, these two right here are going to be the crucial part for this tutorial. Now again guys, before I get started, I have my personal trick here. It's going to be that changing your location and changing your currency, reloading it up, and you'll be good to go. So that works for me, but not all the time. But this one right here works the best method, alright? So step 1, you need to sign out to your main PSN account. So go to your settings, scroll down to users and accounts, and basically sign out. Create a new PSN account, and basically for this one, enter the new email address that hasn't been used on any PSN before. Take note guys, that this should be the one I was mentioning earlier, a new and unused email address. So basically fill in all the required details, confirm your email address, and the works. Now you can activate your free PS Plus trial. Basically what we're doing for this one is that every new email should have your new PS Plus trial. And then you can be asked to add your payment method, just basically add it up. However, for settings, make sure that you click on Share and Offline Play. Click Enable to choose this new account for your primary PSN account. Basically, we're just having a loophole here. You're gonna have a free PSN for a 7-day trial on your main one, just by using the new email address and new account. Switch back to your main account for step 5. Enjoy your PS Plus benefits like online multiplayer and free games, using your main profile. Step 6, important part is do not forget to cancel. Before the 7th-day free trial, please cancel your account by going to Settings, User Accounts, Account, and Payment Subscriptions, and choose Cancel to avoid getting charges. So bonus tip, repeat with different emails. You can create a new PSN account with new email to repeat the process. This is limited by the number of accounts you can add per console by Sony's detection system. So important notes, do not abuse this method. Sony may block your access or remove features. Basically, using prepaid virtual cards may help you if you don't want to use your real payment info. Always cancel before the subscription or the trial ends. Alright? So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this one. I'll catch you on the next one.